Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can merge cells of a table. So this is my page. Here you can see this is the table of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 3 rows and 4 columns. And if I talk about number of cells, so you can see there are 12 cells. Now what I want to do, I want to merge cell number 1 and cell number 2. So let's see how we can do that. This is my notepad file where I have used this table tag to create my table. Now inside the table tag I have used this TD for creating a cell, or you can say column. I am going to use the call span attribute to merge the cells, because here I am merging two cells, so there is need to delete one TD. So I am removing this one TD or cell number 2. Now just save your file and check the output. Refresh your page. Now see, there is only cell number 1. Now cell number 2 has been removed and cell number 1 and 2 are merged together. If you want to merge some more, then what you can do? Just change the number. Suppose if you want to merge all the column together, so here you can give call span equals to 4 and then remove these 2 TD and save your file again. Now refresh your page. So like this you can see there is only one column in first row. Now if you want to keep this cell 1 in center, so just give the alignment. Here in the TD you can type align equals to center. Now save your file again. Refresh your page. Cell is aligned center. Thank you.